Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Help Corner, and I have once again the very first question is the highest literacy rate among the SAARC countries is in, and the answer is Pakistan. Identify the function of IMF, and the answer is to make foreign exchange resources available for those countries facing balance of payment difficulties. The next is the world's largest island is Greenland. Answer is Greenland. Among the SAARC countries, the highest per capita income is of Sri Lanka. Identify the longest glacier of Pakistan, and the answer is Siachen. Versek Dam has been built on the river Kabul. The Shandur Pass at the height of 12.205 feet connects Chitral and Gilgit. According to a recent survey, the world's largest importer of weapons is India. On China, recently published book is written by Henry Kissinger. The foundation stone of the Sikhism's holiest place, Golden Temple at Amritsar, was laid by Hazrat Mian Mir. Pinpoint the world's oldest democratic country, Great Britain. OPEC's largest oil producing country is Saudi Arabia. The world's largest surviving monarchy is in Japan. Identify the highest non-operational award of Pakistan Armed Forces, Sitara-e-Basalat. Pakistan's highest mountain peak K2 is located in the Karakoram range. Ariana is an airline of Afghanistan. Reuters is a news agency of Russia. The Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. The UN Security Council consists of 15 members. The first Pakistani who became the judge of International Court of Justice was Sir Zafrullah Khan. Who is the founder of Scout movement? Robert Baden-Powell. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver. The Nobel Prize for Peace is given in the city of Oslo. Thomas Cup is given for the game of badminton. Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League as a member in 1913 at Bombay. Kanpur Mosque tragedy had taken place in 1913. Quaid-e-Azam met M.K. Gandhi for the first time in 1916 at Lucknow. Who had translated the Lahore Resolution from English to Urdu? Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. The British Parliament passed Indian Independence Act on 14th July 1947. After Sir Aga Khan, the next president of All India Muslim League was Raja Saheb of Mahmudabad. Gandhi Jinnah talks were held in 1944 to discuss the CR formula prepared by Raj Gopal Acharya. Congress launched Quit India movement against the British government in 1942. Lahore Resolution of 23rd March 1940 was seconded from Sindh province by Abdullah Haroon. Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah joined All Muslim League in 1937. Identify the Secretary of State for India who led the cabinet mission in 1946, Lord Patrick Lawrence. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali first used the word Pakistan in his pamphlet Now or Never in 1933. The provincial election of 1937, All India Muslim League won largest number of seats in the United Provinces UP. The Government of India Act 1935 divided the country into 11 provinces. Okay then, that's all for today. Best of luck everyone. Remember me in your prayers. Keep watching. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and subscribe and share with your circles. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.